Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today we are comparing two finance heavyweights, Docyt AI and Dext. If you're running a business and want to cut hours off your accounting work, this showdown is for you. Let's start with your main focus. Docyt AI's focuses on AI-powered bookkeeping and full accounting automation, while Dext focuses on expense and receipt management. When we look at their AI capabilities, Docyt AI automates reconciliation, categorization, and financial insights, while Dext has smart scanning, categorization, and data extraction. When we look at who are their best for, Docyt AI is best for businesses wanting an all-in-one AI accountant, while Dext is for accountants and teams handling lots of receipts. Next, let's look at the ease of use. Docyt AI has a clean AI dashboard, powerful but advanced, while Dext has very easy plug and play. It's very easy actually. It has plug and play for receipt uploads. And lastly, let's look at the pricing. Docyt AI has premium pricing and more features are included, while Dext is more affordable and focused on expenses. Here's a breakdown. Docyt AI is your digital CFO. It uses AI to automate bookkeeping, reconcile accounts, and even provide real-time insights. Dext, on the other hand, shines when it comes to receipts and expenses. It is fast, reliable, and makes accountants' lives a whole lot easier. So think of it like this. Docyt AI equals to full accounting automation, while Dext equals to receipts and expense master. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on whether you need end-to-end automation or specialized expense handling. Which one would you pick for your business in 2025? Docyt AI or Dext? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart finance breakdowns. Only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.